Welcome back, everyone. In the last video, we have seen how to integrate Firebase authentication into our project. In this video, we will learn how to create protected routes. So as you can see, currently, this dashboard is available to everyone, whether he is properly authenticated or not. But in a real-world application, this dashboard will contain sensitive information that should only be available to a properly authenticated user. So I want to make it so that only if someone logs in, then he will be able to see this dashboard. And that is why we need to create protected route. So let's get started. In the project, I will create a new folder inside the source folder called components. And to stay organized, inside of this components folder, I will create another folder called shared. And inside of this folder, I will create a file called require auth.jsx. So this require auth component will have a children and it will return the children as well. So inside of this require auth, we need the use auth state hook. So const, and it will give us the user use auth state. And we need to pass auth inside of this. Remember, don't forget this. So the logic will be if user does not exist, then I will do an early return and we will return a navigate component. And we get this navigate component from React Router DOM. So remember the use navigation hook that we used in the last video? It does exactly the same thing, but whenever we cannot use a hook, we use the component version of it. Inside of this navigate component, it takes a prop called to. So we specify where we want to navigate to. In this case, we will want to navigate to the login page, and it also takes another prop called replace. And what this replace will do is that it will replace our current entry in the browser history instead of creating a new one or pushing a new one. So the user won't be able to press the back button and go back to the previous page if we use this replace prop. You can also do replace is equals to true, but this serves the purpose. So let's go to our router.jsx, and I want to wrap this root with this require auth. So require auth, and this root will be the children of require auth. So inside the require auth.jsx, you can see that it's taking children, and this root component is the children in this case. So if there is no user, then we will get navigated, we will get redirected to the login page. But if there is a user, then it will just return the children. So it's very simple. We're getting an error, children is missing in props validation. You can fix this simply by going to eslint.rc.cjs and just type react/prop types and give it a value of 0. So this error should go away now. All right, let's test this in our browser. Okay, we are already in the login. So if I log in with Google now, so we have just got redirected to the root route. And if I log out, you can see that we are getting redirected to the login page. Now we cannot press the back button and go to the root route. That is because we have replaced our entry in the browser history. So we cannot go back to the root route just by pressing the back button. Also, if I try to manually type the root route and try to visit the root route this way, we cannot do that as well. So our root route is being protected now. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.